Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Google Pixel 3AG020F, and in this video I am going to show you how to disable Google personalized ads on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open settings and then we have to scroll down to the Google option. Here we have to click on our username and then we have to click Google account. Right here we have to choose data and privacy. Here we scroll down and right here in the personalized ads we have to open My Ad Center. And wait a second. Now as you can see I have here personalized ads turned on, and to do this we have to click on it and then we have to click turn off. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!